Here's how to fade in and fade out a video in CapCut. If this was useful to you, be sure to like the video and subscribe. If you're using an iPhone, Android, or computer, I'll show you how to do a fade effect. But first, hit the subscribe button down below. It really helps me out. Thanks, guys. Now, open the CapCut app. Tap New Project, select a random clip, and hit Add. The easiest way to add a fade in and fade out effect is to first unselect the clip. If it's selected, tap the small arrow at the bottom left to unselect it. Next, tap Effects at the bottom, then go to Video Effects. Search for Fade In, then select any effect you like. Let's choose the first one, then tap Cancel and checkmark. You can now adjust the fade in length by swiping left or right. To add a fade out, swipe left at the bottom, tap back twice, then go to Effects greater than Video Effects again. Search for fade out, select an option, and hit checkmark. Adjust it to align with the clip's end. Now it fades to black. Tap to adjust the length if needed, and you're all set. For more tutorials, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.